Having proper hiking gear can make the hiking trip perfect and make anyone feel closest to Mother Nature. And obviously, no one wants to waste their hard-earned bucks on some unworthy hiking gear, right? So here's a list of the 12 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Enjoy!
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
A wind turbine can fit into your backpack and can power your electric devices like smartphones. Yes, this is true. The portability of Shine allows you to take it anywhere in the great outdoors. Forget bulky power stations and get one of these wind turbines for self-sustaining power generation. It might look small, but this 40-watt turbine has a massive 12,000 mAh battery and can be set up in under 2 minutes. This wind turbine can rapidly create and store clean and efficient energy wherever needed, day or night. How cool is that? Everyone gets confused at the first look of this Hunt 4.0. What the thing actually is? Is it a pry bar or a flashlight? Oh, it's a lighter. Maybe it is all of them. Don't get confused. This is a multi-tool that is meant to be used as a flashlight, an EDC multi-tool for box cutting or can opening, and as a lighter also. So time to keep a keychain that is going to surprise your hiking buddies. This is the Wanaka, a 24-liter day pack, and in fact, an adventure system. This is not just an ordinary backpack. It can be used as a camera backpack, cooler, and even a compressor sack because of its modular design. The top of the pack zips off and can be worn easily to keep the important belongings nearby. Then the lower compartment is made for use as a camera case, so that the valuables will get a safer accommodation while on an adventure. The build quality and water resistance are the other features worth mentioning. Plus, it's constructed with BPA-free materials and are approved by the FDA, EZ71, and LFGB. No wonder taking those big, bulky stoves on hiking isn't a thing we love. This bluish thing over here is the Flame Cube, a stove that helps to cook and also charges the electrical devices. Wondering how? It makes fire by using the twigs. Then the thermal generator converts the heat to electricity and pumps the dual fan to burn more efficiently. Cherry on top, the touch control system customizes the wind speed. One more pro, it can be used as a mini power bank, even without the live fire. Now keep it to the backpack and enjoy your hiking more. On the trail, the less weight anyone will carry, the more he can explore. This is the Ultralight Trek Chair, an ultimate combination of comfort and packability that takes up the small room of the backpack and weighs extremely low. This chair eliminates the bulky traditional backpacking chairs and can be deployed in mere time, taking the carrier to another level of comfort and relaxation. Holding up to 250 pounds, it delivers the ultimate strength you got before the bulky ones. And the fun part begins when it can be set upright and downright depending on needs. Still thinking of getting those heavy and bulky chairs on the next trip? Dealing with dead batteries at the moment of capturing a beautiful scene? Don't worry when you have the most efficient solar wireless charger, the Solar Bar. With 8 powerful panels and up to 20 watt of charging power, this solar charger allows charging 3 devices at the same time. And the removable power pack can be taken anywhere. Where most solar chargers can't withstand worse situations, it's built to last in the worst with water resistance. And the feature worth mentioning, it has built-in LED lights that will illuminate the dark areas. The Max Pump 2 Pro is a portable air pumper specially designed for all-terrain hikers. With a lightweight design, it remains hung up to the backpack wherever the hike leads. It pumps all the inflatables in seconds with efficient pumping power. Not enough? Wait, it can be used as a lantern when outdoors with up to 500 lumens of ultra-bright light. Phone dying? No worries, as it can be an emergency power supply as well. So who in their right mind won't keep this compact air pumper before leaving for hiking? We're sure you will. The Griffin Adventure is that go-to multi-tool that can be used for several purposes, maybe more than 10. It can be used as a carabiner, fastener, wrench, bottle opener, and many more, eliminating the need to carry all those individual tools. This adventure tool is available in different sizes, so choose before getting one. One tool, too many benefits. Whether there's overnight hiking on the list, this Wick wearable light is definitely a good backer. This ambient light source is super beneficial in darker situations. Thanks to its magnetic band, it can be placed almost anywhere. It keeps the users fully confident with 12 hours of backup when they're on outdoor hiking. Furthermore, it's totally weather resistant, so that it can survive any inclement weather condition. Also, it provides adequate illumination for easy operation in darker environments. Plus, this Wick light is also great for confined areas where those bulky lights can't reach. Hammock is a hammock but doubles as a sleeping pad. Sounds fun, isn't it? Weighing so light and having a tough build quality, anyone can carry it on their hike. Once the restful sleep is over, just reveal the nylon hammock straps and attach the aluminum carabiners. The sleeping pad is now an inflatable hammock. The inflation adjustment allows getting every comfort level. Last but not least, the hammock is so easy to store and carry anywhere, anytime. Meet the Airbolt GPS, a global live tracker for pretty much everything, keys, bag, or anything on demand. Surprisingly enough, this little device lasts up to 12 months per charge while tracking is turned on. So now sharing the location with friends and families is a breeze. Not just that, this GPS tracker is waterproof and weather ready. But want to know the coolest part? It sends different alerts when it meets different conditions. So no more hassle searching for your curious pet. The GPS already knows where he is. When hiking, losing the path is a common thing, especially when the trail is new. So here's the Oceanus Brass Sailor's Compass. The name might be confusing, but this navigational gear is created not only for the sailors, but also for the boldest explorers. On top of that, it's durable enough to serve long, while the comfortably sized tool can be kept in any pocket. One more pro, this compass needs no satellite signals to navigate the way. It comes with the luminescent markings, which are visible in dark conditions, where the other tools took their step back. Now dare to go those places where others can't. So, that was our list of 12 hiking gear essentials available today. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.